So do you travel when you work? I mean, do you travel outside of your state or outside of your general vicinity when you DJ? Lately, over the last 5 to 10 years, I've been doing a lot more traveling. And it provides a challenge depending on where you're going. Hi, I'm Bill Herman. This is the Creative License Podcast, sponsored, of course, by Electro Voice and my workshop, The Entertainment Experience, which is happening this week here in Minneapolis. We've got more coming up next year. I'll keep you posted on that. If you want to know more, you can certainly go to entertainment-experience.com. Anyway, I'm in Vegas right now, staying at the Aria Hotel. And one of the things when it comes to traveling that a lot of guys don't take into consideration is that you should be compensated. You shouldn't pay for your own hotel. You shouldn't pay for your travel. Your client should. They will, in fact, if you make sure that you ask them to. But a lot of these guys that do this on a regular basis don't. Why? Okay, compensation is compensation. And the expense of getting you there shouldn't cut into your fee. I get a regular fee, and I get travel expenses, hotel, airfare, everything, transportation, that's all taken care of. People expect to pay that sort of thing. You should make sure that that is your expenses and you take care of that as well. Plus, you get to see the world and get paid your regular fee. Like right now, me in Las Vegas, baby, here at the Aria Hotel. And if you've never been at the Aria, you should really consider it, because this is one hell of a place. So anyway, I'll talk to you later. I'm going to have a great time tonight at the Wedding Wire party. This is Bill with Creative License, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye!